Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, I am a little bit excited, or very excited I should say, because I am going to be trying some new products. So one is a brand new product and the other is a product that I have never tried before, but of course it is super popular here on the interwebs as well as just in general. Alright, so the two products that I will be trying out today for the first time, one is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit Cosmetics, and I have the color in number 5. And I've never tried this brow pencil before, but I'm getting more and more into the traditional brow pencil versus using like a pomade and things like that. And the second thing, which I'm really super excited to talk about, is this guy right here. So this is the Better Than Sex Eyeliner. So I don't know if you guys know, but eyeliner is just one of those things because of my eye shape. I had the hardest time trying to get down, and once I got it, I got it. So I wanted to try this out, see how I like the formula, how I like the application and things like that. So yeah, I'm going to be testing this out today as well. As far as what I paid for this guy, I'm going to start with the Precisely My Brow first. This guy is $24, and again, like I said, I have the color or the shade number 5. While I was in Ulta just walking around before I actually picked up these two products, I was like, should I get the Ulta credit card? Should I get the Ulta credit card? Because I'm always in Ulta. I'm at least in Ulta once a week, and I was just like, you know what? I want to set myself up for success in the future, and having an Ulta gift card might not be that bad. So I went ahead and got the Ulta gift card and got my 20% off, and you know, and I paid for these products with my Ulta credit card. But the plan is to use the money that I was going to spend anyway, and then of course just pay off the credit card as I go. Just really taking my makeup purchases and turning it into a positive, regardless of if I like the products or not. So this is what the product looks like right here, and it comes with the spoolie on this end, and then it has the product on the other end. So this is one brow done. It looks really good. It looks a lot more natural than what I normally do with my brow pencils. Like, this looks like nice and hair-like, and just, it looks like my brows actually. Like, it looks like this is my actual brow hair versus like a pencil. Like, does that even make sense? Like, this looks like it could be my actual brows, but this looks really good. A nice natural brow. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Not bad. The one thing that I can say about this brow pencil is it definitely made my brows look like they're my brows, just like really nicely filled in. I didn't have to use much product at all. Like, it looks really good. So far I'm really impressed with this brow pencil. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and then we'll get to the eyeliner portion. Alright guys, so I did my eye makeup off the camera, so let's get into the eyeliner. So this is again the Better Than Sex eyeliner. So I've never tried any other Too Faced products before besides the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I absolutely love that foundation. So let's talk about the eyeliner a little bit more. So it costs $24, which is really expensive in my opinion for an eyeliner. So let's talk about the claims. So it says it's 24-hour non-fading long wear, waterproof, smudge proof. It's also an easy glide formula, doesn't tug or skip for a perfect line every time. It says intense pigment load for the deepest black possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to apply it on this eye over here, and let's see how this is gonna go. so this is the eyeliner on right now. It went on pretty smoothly, really easily. The one thing that I'm loving about it so far is that I can actually use the tip to do a little bit more fine work. And the problem with a lot of eyeliners, or at least eyeliners like this that I have problems with, is that like once you get to the tip, there's actually like very little product that applies to the lid. It only applies like on the thicker parts, but with this actually the product goes all the way to the tip, so that's definitely a good thing. It went on pretty smoothly, and it's definitely pretty much dry already, and it's not shiny at all. So far, really impressed. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off of camera, apply some lashes, and then give you guys my final thoughts on both of these products. Alright guys, so this is my full face complete. So I'm feeling really good right now just because I'm really excited specifically about one product. But yeah, so let's start off with the Benefit Precisely My Brow. So this right here is really good actually. I'm surprised that I like it because I've avoided it for so long, mainly because of how it looks. It kind of looks like a dagger like stick thing. I don't know, it just never appealed to me. But as I tried it today, it was really easy to use. It was really smooth. I didn't use a lot of product at all to get my brows to look really nice, natural, really hair-like, which is what I liked about it. It was very precise, I guess, you know, that's the name of it, Precisely My Brow. So I'm definitely going to be using this a lot more often in rotation with my other brow products. This is really great. I would definitely recommend this for anybody who was ever curious about trying it. But the one thing that really surprised me was this guy right here. So the Better Than Sex Eyeliner is definitely that. It is definitely in my, well, is it? It's really great. It went on pretty smoothly. I did this wing liner off of camera. This side looks a little bit better than this wing over here, but hey, I was just playing around with it for the first time, and I actually really like it. It's really smooth, really black. Doesn't transfer. When you put it on, it stays put. And yeah, there really is no downside to this, so I'm definitely going to be trying more Too Faced products in the future, because first it was the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and then now is the new eyeliner. So I'm definitely like, okay, I have to try some more Too Faced products. So guys, let me know in the comments below, are there any other Too Faced products that you guys love? What are your favorites? And leave those in the comments below, and then hopefully when I go to Ulta next time, I can definitely check that out. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed. But yeah guys, I will catch you guys later in my next video. Bye.